All right, so yeah, 1 week ago, things were very different. And you guys showed up and showed out. And 60 packages later, this is where we are. And I'm just going to start the vlog off with we're moving. We are packing. We have keys. We have signed the lease. And I got my peanut gallery here to make sure I don't shed no tears today. But first and foremost, let me just say thank you. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for your support, for showing your love. And this is just the packages. This is not the virtual products that you guys bought, as well as the super thanks. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you guys so much. You showed your care for me, and I'm grateful. And let me say this too, the words of encouragement. Thank you guys so much. Even for those of you like, okay, that's bad, but get off your tail and keep moving. I appreciate y'all because that's how I am. Let's pack this up to you guys. We even have a package going to Germany. So we are really excited to keep this going. Really excited to see more of you in Blueprint Signature. So please make sure you do an unboxing, share, tag Blueprint Signature so that we can keep this going. We are in a race to move. We don't want any mess with anybody over here. So we have a moving truck coming. As you're watching this, if you're watching it when it comes out, we are moving. All right, let's move. Well, that didn't go as planned, but we moved. We're here. We moved. This is Blueprint Studios. I can't stand y'all. We are very tired. We have worked very, very hard this week. Can they even see? Yeah, they can see. Oh, dear God. Hey. Hey, girl, hey. Today is Friday. We have spent all of this week just getting the space decent. Because we had to move so fast that the movers just brought everything in and that was it. They would have built our furniture and stuff for us, but it didn't go that way. So we did a lot. I want to show you guys some of the stuff that was already here and how we reconfigured it and show you around. This is the space you guys did not see. This is what we decided to be our office. We have a great big window here that brings in, well, a ton of natural light. That is my desk, my working desk, not my sewing desk. The Cellrite is there where it belongs in the window, showing herself off. When we first moved in, we inherited some amazing furniture. And so we had a cubicle, like a set of 2 cubicles where Tiara is. Back there was a set of 4 cubicles that you're probably seeing on the screen right now. And this desk right here. So the guy asked us if we had any use for it. We said absolutely, and we kept it. So, oh, and these desks right here in the back, that was also in another room. So we inherited a set of 4 desks, and we are reusing all of them in different ways. So mine is right here, and that's my little boss desk, I guess. And that's just more for doing work type things. I'll sew probably, maybe, on a different table. And then we have our cutting table, just like it was before, put back together. Then Kayshel's desk, which were put together all wrong, but I re-put them together correctly. And she has a very nice sewing suite over here. Then we have our shelves back there. We have a rack back there, and Jaleesa is back there. And then we have the sewing suite. Can you imagine having this much space to sew for one person?
Please make no mistake whatsoever. Every last inch of these tables will be used. So for whatever reason y'all think, oh, that's a lot of table, I'm a lot of woman and I got a lot of work to do. So trust and believe I'm gonna use this table.
Yeah, she has 2 whole cubicles. That it actually rounded. It came all the way to the edge, but we trying to get her out her shell, so we took the edge off of both sides, so she could actually get some light. So we took that piece off, and then, we took that piece off. Oh my gosh. Then we have our ironing board right there and our marker board, rolling marker board there, and a mirror. And this stand, we'll put something there in the window eventually once we get ourselves together. All right, let's go to the other room. Like I said, we have space on space now. This is Blueprint Studios.
That's your boss.
They can hear you.
Oh.
Talk about me. I am excited, as I should be. The purple wall is going away. Y'all, I know it's some purple people out there. Y'all, I'm not a purple person. So, yeah. We need this space to be as neutral as possible, I think. So the purple is going away, but look at all of this space. We even have a fireplace, and ceilings are pretty tall. Look at that window right there. I'll back up so you can see it. That's the main entry. And we have another window there. That is my big cutting table. That'll also be the cutting table for our sewing school. And so, yeah, this space is humongous. And this is actually going to be a peer space where we do photo shoots, and we're going to make sets and scenes and different things like that in here. Those 2 fans are leaving, but sets and scenes over on this side, and then the sewing school on this side where we're going to teach sewing classes. And so we're super, super excited about that. And then we have this area right here, which is going to be like a selfie hallway. We have such a fun concept for this hallway that leads to bathroom number 1. Nothing special about it, but like I said, it's bathroom number 1. Then go out from there. And in this room right here is a closet. So we have storage, and it has a lot of the cubicle stuff that we had left over, because those tables right there, look how sturdy these tables are. These are going to be for the sewing school. We have 4 of them now. So we have plenty of table space for students, for you guys to come and take classes. Then we have this whole space back here. We have another restroom, and in that restroom, I'm not going to open the door, but it has our washer dryer in it. And yeah, then we have, of course, you have to have safety, you have to have exit doors. Then we have a whole room for our racks. You guys remember how unorganized our rack space was, and it's not something we want to see on a constant basis. The purple is staying in here because who has time? But yes, we have racks, and then we have our packing and shipping area and our printing area. So we have this whole area in here, and it's very convenient. We had orders to ship even when we got over here, and that was helpful. Then you walk down the hallway, and we have our kitchen. And this, remember from the other space, this is our kitchen area. And then right there is bathroom number 3. Bathroom number 3, and a whole nother storage closet. So oh my gosh, we are so excited to be in this space. We have some amazing fun, some really fun concepts that we're going to make like some backdrops and scenes and sets that we're going to use for Blueprint Signature. And you will definitely see them also on Blueprint DIY, because I'll do my final looks in front of them and stuff like that. But we're going to rent out space for Peer Space, and this will give us some passive income, which we desperately need in order to be able to just be creative and do the things that we want to do without so much stress. So we're so excited, so grateful for this much space. We are going to have events like thrift swaps and sip and sews and different things like that. So if you guys have any ideas for us, let us know in the comments. Like I said before, all the classes you'll sign up for them online. And yeah, we are super, super, super excited, super grateful, super excited to have been able to get this much done in a week, because it was very difficult. It's been a very tiring week, getting everything kind of cleared out and put in locations. But we did it, and we're here, out of harm's way, and we are grateful. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the new space, and what would you do with this much space for sewing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.